everyone! Welcome back to Kikir YouTube channel. Happy Halloween everyone! Woohoo! So yeah, let's celebrate our Halloween season. So I am all dressed up in a Halloween costume. Guess what it is? Let's get into it right away. Can you guess what kind of costume I am trying on now? Guess with this black high heel and red pantyhose. Very sure. By the way, it's K Pantyhose, my Korean pantyhose brand. It's very soft, and as you guys see, that looks very silky and soft and sheer, as that denier says, 20 denier. So this is Halloween. This is Halloween. Halloween, Halloween, Halloween. Da da da. Ta-da! I am in a very cute black shirt, velvet, lovely and sexy cheapo costume. How you like it? So yeah, it has the red pointies on the tie, bow, and on my waist, and also on the back side too. So that's why I think the black and red combination would be go perfect for a Halloween costume. So here we go. Sorry, try again. Well, I prepared this hand fan, what is it called? Hand fan for matching with my costume. But somehow it's a little bit hot here, so I can cool myself down. Let me use it, it's very useful. And that combination, look at this color matching with the flower patterns. So good. So please rate my costume combination with this sheer red 20 denier pantyhose with this black high heel. What do you think about that? If I wear these ones out for Halloween parties, I can really enjoy my party. By the way, this one is, I don't think I can wear this out there because it's very skimpy. Like on my side, they don't even have any zipper or what is no, and not even any button up here. So it just like literally rip their fabric from your waist. Wow, like that. It looked very hot, but it looked very skimpy, so it must be very uncomfortable if I'm wearing it out there. I don't know. Maybe I can, but I actually like it. So when you see the side, oops, I have to have attention on my belly because I don't want to show you my naked belly through my sexy outfit. This is Halloween, this is Halloween, 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 Halloween. So at the very first, this tie wasn't tied up. So I had to, how do I say that? I had to hold it and tie it myself. It was I mean, it wasn't that hard, but it was a little bit annoying. But once I make it completed, I was like, oh, this one is way cuter than front side. So I love the back side so much. It's so good. Do you like the front or back better? And also more thing, I think it was really good choice having this velvet fabric because it's more softer than other fabric like the cotton or some others. And you know, some velvet fabric just make your body look more in shape. I'm pretty sure you guys will like that costume, so you will ask me wearing them on our regular YouTube live stream. Maybe. I really hope you guys have a fun and wonderful time on Halloween. And thank you for watching my Halloween costume video. I hope you guys enjoyed that too. Before we finished, please let me tell you guys, this is Pantyhose that I'm wearing. It's a red color 20 denier sheer pantyhose, and also I am posting that picture and video for exclusive member. If you wanna see more contents of me, please check out the link in description box. You can find that exclusive content. Alright, I will see you on the next video. Bye love.